Is it the right time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we'll be delving into Microsoft. Our initial report was released on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any significant updates that could influence your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of January 8, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 8.63. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 12.24% within the past 24 days, since we first listed Microsoft as a buy candidate. This translates to an average daily return of 0.51% since it was labeled as a strong buy candidate. The stock price has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $416.52, which could present a second opportunity for growth. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is at $449.05, which may not be surpassed immediately. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 10.99% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1.34% to 9.93%. On a 12-month timeframe, the trend suggests a 41.05% change, with a potential return between 20.51% and 44.64%. This translates to a price range of $506.82 to $608.30 in a year. Our latest update for Microsoft brings exciting news, a stronger technical forecast for the Microsoft stock price after Friday's trading. The Microsoft stock price showed promising growth on the last trading day, increasing by 1.56% from $414.11 to $420.55. This marks its third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if a minor break is in store for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $415.09 and a high of $420.82, a difference of 1.38%. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by a notable 4.11%, with positive volume and price movements observed on the last day. A total of 4 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to approximately $9.15 billion in total trade volume. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we see that the highest recorded stock price was $420.82, while the lowest was $245.61. Currently, the price stands at 0.06%, or $0.270, below the 52-week high of $420.82, which also happens to be the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, February 7, 2024, Oppenheimer upgraded Microsoft with an overweight grade. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, BMO Capital rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, RBC Capital also rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold action. William Blair gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Barclays rated Microsoft as overweight with a hold action on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also given a strong buy rating for the PE ratio and price to book. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given Microsoft stock a strong buy rating. Today, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for Microsoft. The Microsoft stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $410.69 and $390.63. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Recently, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, resulting in a 5.78% increase so far. The volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals that may impact the short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider when making investment decisions. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is currently showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator had a buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands also had a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average had a buy signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average had a buy signal 25 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 22 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for more insights. The short moving average had a buy signal 25 days ago. The long-term moving average also had a buy signal 72 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 69 days ago. If you're interested in exploring more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Let's start with the downside. The stock has some important support levels just below today's price. The first one is at $377.44, followed by $370.73. When a stock tests a support level, there's always a risk that it might break and fall to the next support level. So, if $377.44 is broken, the next support will be at $370.73 and $369.67. Microsoft is a stock that usually trades at a good volume, and its daily changes are usually minor, which makes the risk relatively low. In fact, in the last day, the stock moved only $5.73, 1.38%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has had an average volatility of 1.37% per day. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's begin by reviewing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's P/E ratio falls within the normal range, which is typically seen in companies with established track records and predictable revenue streams. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2024 is scheduled for April 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for Microsoft's earnings are at $2.81. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for Microsoft. When it comes to resistance levels, there's no significant hurdle due to accumulated volume. This means that if the conditions are right, the stock could make a swift upward move. In such a scenario, it might be a good idea to enter a position and keep an eye on the volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $377.44. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Microsoft has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades involved Smith Bradford L., who bought and sold a total of 48,003 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated a positive insider power ratio of 4.614. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 336,402 shares and sold a total of 288,437 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $403.23, representing a decrease of 4.12%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, making it a low-risk investment option. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 7 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? In terms of positive signals and technical shape, Microsoft stock is in great shape. It has broken the strong rising trend up, making it a good choice at its current levels. We anticipate further gains over the next 3 months, leading us to upgrade our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, February 12th, we anticipate Microsoft to open down -$1.73 and start trading at $418.82. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. From all of us here at Stock Invest, regards.